Hey, and welcome back to the Josh and Babe channel. If you're new here, we put out a new cooking video every Tuesday, Thursday, with a live stream cooking show on the weekend. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, the bell, to follow along with all the good stuff that we're doing. So we're super excited. This just came in the mail. We just got it delivered, our brand new pit barrel cooker. I wanted to take you guys along on the unboxing, opening it up, setting it up, and of course, the first cook, and we're gonna be doing ribs. St. Louis pork ribs on the pit barrel cooker. This thing, from all the videos that I've watched, this is the rib machine. So what better thing to do for the first cook than ribs? Really, for the price, for how easy it is to use, a set it and forget it, lots of food in a compact little space, this thing is going to be epic. And I'm so excited to unbox it, set it up, and get cooking. I'm so excited that we finally got a pit barrel cooker. I've been watching video after video of people just putting out epic food off these things, and so I'm excited to get it out of the box and set it up. If you guys don't know about these, really, for the price, you can cook just a ton of great food on it in a compact area. You can take it along with you. It's a set it and forget it type of device, and just, wow. I'm excited that we finally have one. All right, so I'm gonna take it out of the box, I'm gonna set it up, I'm gonna get it outside, I'm gonna get the ribs prepped, so come right back. First impression, unboxing, building, the packaging, the instructions, fantastic. The packaging was perfect. It arrived undamaged, not a scratch on it. The instructions were easy to follow, super simple. It took like 10 or 15 minutes to put this together. And it even included in the packaging a little screwdriver and wrench. So everything that you need. Really epic. And if you see on the front, I have a thin blue line flag. We support police officers. They have a bunch of different variations that you can order, customization. Really good mom and pop American company. So I'm impressed by the customer service. I'm impressed by the product so far, the ease of putting it together, all the stuff that came in the box, really epic. So we're gonna bring this outside, we're gonna prep the ribs, we're gonna get cooking, and Father's Day is right around the corner. For the price, this is a pretty epic gift. I'm super pumped that we got it by Father's Day. All right, let's just do some ribs. All right, so I pulled the membrane off of the back of the ribs, and the rub that we're gonna be using is the Pit Barrel Cooker All-Purpose Rub, the Pit Rub. All right, I'm just gonna set this in the refrigerator, let that rub penetrate in, and then I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna get the Pit Barrel Cooker all ready to roll with the charcoal in it. This is my very first cook on this, and I've watched other YouTube videos. I'm operating this thing, I'm doing these ribs, very basic as a novice, because I am a novice, this is my very first time. So really, if I can do it, you can do it. So far, I'm really excited. I'm gonna use a lighter cube, and I'm gonna light that chimney for about 12 minutes. I'm gonna dump those coals, even though they're not gonna be 100%, I'm gonna dump it in the basket, get it in the pit barrel, and we're gonna be on, and these ribs are gonna be amazing. We're at about 1,400 feet elevation, so I have my vent set appropriately as per the directions, and we're gonna be smoking with cherry wood today. Look everybody, Babe's here!
Hello!
But she refuses to be on camera.
Well, babe, I've been driving for 9 hours.
So, you do the meatier side, the fatter, thicker side, and you go 2 or 3 bones down because you don't want it to rip and fall into your fire when it gets so tender. So yeah, babe, let me see.
Is that good?
Yeah, it looks good. And then, yeah, so we gotta put all the hooks through, and then we're gonna go hang these ribs. And there's no, when we did the bin test and stuff like that, I think they need to go another 30 minutes before we sauce. And then I think that we need to sauce and go another 30 minutes. In my opinion. We have some pullback, but not enough. So come on back.
When are the ribs ready? I'm starving.
So this is the additional accessory. You guys need this if you want to do corn or any kind of vegetables. You need this, and then you can hang your ribs, do your veggies. Perfect. I'm gonna cut in between. Ooh, yeah.
There you go.
Ooh,
Holy moly. How juicy are those? Mm-hmm. What do you guys think?
Amazing.
Yeah.
I only have one right.
what do you think, Liv? Is it the best thing you ever
Do I
had?
have to stop eating this? Sister, did you eat this one? This one?